Oh my god, dude.
Wow, they're just going under.
Now they're coming back up.
Oh. Wow, they're just...
And they're like keeping that line out there and coming out slowly.
Yeah, they're coming from like over here.
But they're keeping the line, see it?
Right. Yeah, they're definitely keeping the fish in that zone. It must be like a sardine ball.
That is so amazing. It's like total... Oh, they're splitting up.
Those ones are under now.
Wow. That's incredible. Where are they going to come up? Where are they going to come up? They're coming up over there. Look, look, look.
Oh, man.
And they're going down again. Oh my god, dude. Look, they're like hitting a wall and going under.
Yeah, they totally split up. These ones are over here now.
No, they're coming back together. And they're like constantly coming though.
They're making like a battle cry. This is totally like they're like coming to get you.
Oh, dude, they're going in again on both sides. Oh, now they're doing it at the same time on either side. Like they're both simultaneously. And there's a solid line in the middle, dude.